During slavery, men like Reverend Noah Davis, born in 1804, learned skills to purchase their freedom and then wives and children. It sometimes took many years. He was just one of many slaves holding his family together. To earn money to buy his children before they were sold down south, Davis authored a book and traveled north to sell it. As you watch, observe faces. What history, what story do these faces tell? Despite Jim Crow, black codes and convict labor, violent attacks on homes and businesses, riots and poverty, family stability is cherished as the mainstay of every society. All mine, this father said, the pride of a father who treasures home and children. Imagine not being allowed any authority to keep your family together. Therefore, for slaves, freedom meant finding separated family members even if you had to travel the country. Families delight in highlighting family status. In fact, pictures were the best weapon used to showcase Black family success and fitness to be real Americans, a claim that always needed to be proven to others. These are Black American ancestors who helped build this country.